And once again, welcome to another exciting and today is the last episode of Tips from Pragmatic Developer powered by codeWithIJ, and you still have your host Wabukoye Ijoma. So let's start today. So we're going to be treating tip. So the last tip we treated was tip 65, where we say coding ends done till all the tests run. So you can't say, "Oh, I'm done with this particular task," or "I'm done coding" until all the tests run at the various development environment you have, and nothing is breaking. So tip 66, use saboteurs to test your testing. This is a very, very crazy stuff. But what it's trying to tell you is that, you know what, let the code break. Like what you're not supposed to test it, because you're going to be giving it to users, and you don't know the kind of areas and levels the users are going to use it. So test your system to break for you to see, oh, why did this system break, or see if you, because every developer is trying to build a system that it is security in layer, scalability is in layers, and various other things are in layers. So if you want to confirm that all these things are in layer, you have to you have to test your system like someone who wants to break into the system and use all these features without your consent. So use saboteurs to test your testing. Tip 67 say test state coverage, not code coverage. So when we talk about state coverage can be the business logic one. State coverage can be the various steps you took into place before implementing that particular feature you're trying to do. So don't write a test for code coverage. Don't write a test because you don't want, oh, this thing is breaking in my code. So you just quickly go and change the file, and you will not ask yourself, oh, this test file I'm changing, have I already changed the business logic? This test I'm changing, what effect will it have for my application? What will it really have for me testing the application? Will I be able to see the various scenarios I was able to see before? So tip 68 say treat English as another programming language. Whenever you're coding, most of your work are written in English. So treat English as another programming language. Try to read your code in English and a very simple term. So if you also say if authorization code is available, the user should be able to access the dashboard. So you see, it's a very, very simple English. If authorization code is available, the should be able to access this feature. So when you treat English like another programming language, you'll be able to now like write it in a conditional way and say, okay, so in this particular language now, this is what the English version is saying. How will the code version look like? So treat English like another programming language. And the last tip for today is sign your work. A lot of us don't sign our work. We create things, we do impressive stuff, but we always forget to sign your work. So sign your work in the respect that when somebody else comes in, they should be able to know, oh, is this person that work on this task, is this person that work on this particular task, and what is this person trying to achieve over here. Someone should see your work and should know that work can only be done by you because of the efficiency or your particular test coverage style, or the kind of way you implement your features, or the breakdown you do to your work, or maybe your documentation. But always remember to sign your work. So thank you for sticking to us. We had from tip 1 to 69. It has not been an easy journey. At some point in time, it's not even easy to record or do a section, but thank you for the love and always the encouragement. I am forever always grateful. So let's build smarter. Thank you. Subscribe, share to family and friends and anyone. And once again, welcome to Code with IG.